Alright. First, step 1. Open the chicken and pour the hot sauce on the chicken. I made a mess. Next, pour the oil on the bowl. Next, cut the potato fries. Hello. Then fry them. They're so scared. Oh no. These are Roblox ones. Okay. No, stop. What? Hey, put them back. Now they've been cooked. Double the way they're fried. Okay. Put the final snack. Bake ice cream. Okay, that's... No. Oh no. No. Cocoa. No. Oh no. The milk. Oh no. I messed up. Put the ice cream in the freezer. Yeah.